first European dramatic performance ever to take place in Australia was staged in a mud hut. This interest in the arts has been a characteristic of the people who settled in Australia ever since. The progression from mud hut to soaring opera house reflects continuing cultural development as well as the tremendous economic achievement which made it possible. I join with you, Mr. Premier.
And the Queen, as you saw there, buffeted by the elements, by this gale.
And there they are, first of all in the lead, the Wessex helicopters of the Royal Australian Navy, followed by the Army helicopters, the Iroquois. And now having to run up and down, backwards and forwards, because that's the only way they can more or less stay in one position. Every now and again, the police launches have to move in and help somebody out. And as you can see here we're now looking at something like 2,000 little ships that have come as far away from 30 miles up the coast to the north and about 20 to 30 miles down on the other side to the south, past Botany Bay.